There's a lot of talk these days about having healthy bacteria in the gut, but did you know this is important on the skin as well? These healthy bacteria and other microorganisms are called your microbiome. Your skin contains trillions of microorganisms that make up your own unique microbiome. These microorganisms, which are mostly bacteria but can also be mites, viruses, parasites, and fungi, help to protect and improve the function of your skin. These microorganisms, or microbiota, work synergistically together to create an ecosystem that supports immune function and protects from harmful invaders. Most of us think of bacteria and other microorganisms as harmful, but in reality, they are very important in creating healthy, beautiful skin. When your microbiome becomes imbalanced, skin conditions like acne, rosacea, inflammation, dermatitis, eczema, dryness, and sensitivity show up. Skin problems arise when our healthy microbiome becomes imbalanced and allows for overgrowth of some of the microorganisms. Acne is a great example of this. The bacteria P. acnes are a normal part of our microbiome. However, with imbalance, the P. acnes flourishes and causes acneic lesions on the skin. Here's how to protect and improve your skin's microbiome. Improve and protect the skin's pH. The pH of your skin can be altered with exposure to substances like water, harsh skincare products, detergents, diet, infection, and pollution. Water is the most altering substance that we all expose to on a daily basis. The water source that you use to wash your skin usually has a pH of 8.5 or more, depending on how hard it is. The other most common mistake we make is using harsh cleansers and skincare products. If your skin feels squeaky clean after cleansing, then your cleanser has a high pH and is disrupting the acid mantle. Avoid skincare products that are too harsh, like using bar soap to wash your face. Avoid taking antibiotics unless necessary. Antibiotics not only kill bad bacteria, but also good bacteria. If you have more oily skin, avoid over-drying with harsh cleansers, over-cleansing, alcohol-based products, or harsh toners. Michael Christie skincare products are formulated to gently and effectively help to normalize oil production. Use SPF with zinc oxide daily. Help protect from UV and free radical damage with topical ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, peptides, and vitamin A retinaldehyde found in our Michael Christie Vital C Serum, Vital A Serum, and Biopeptide Serum. For your healthy microbiome and beautiful skin, go to skincaremk.com.